Good morning, all the students of class 1. Welcome back in our English class. Today we will study chapter number 4 of our Gulmohar book. Chapter number 4 of our Gulmohar book, and the title of the chapter is Grandma's Vegetable Garden. As I have told you in chapter 2 that this apostrophe shows the possession of something. So this vegetable garden belongs to grandma. Okay, this apostrophe shows the possession of vegetable garden. Okay, now we will read the chapter. One day grandma tells Asha, "Please bring some vegetables from the garden." One day what happened? Grandma tells Asha that please go and bring some vegetable from the garden. She wants some vegetables. Asha takes a big basket and goes out. She brings green peas and purple brinjals. Asha takes a big basket and she went into the garden, and what does she bring? She brings green peas, as you can see in this picture, green peas and purple brinjals. Grandma says, "Thank you, Asha. Can you please bring some carrots? We can have some hot soup." Now grandpa wants some carrots so she can make soup for both of them. So she's requested Asha that can you please bring some carrots? We can have some hot soup. Asha goes out. She looks everywhere. She cannot see any carrots. Now Asha goes out and she looks everywhere. Everywhere means in every place. हर जगह पर उसने देखा. She cannot see any carrots. लेकिन उसको कहीं पे भी कैरेट नहीं दिखाई दी. कोई भी कैरेट नहीं थी वहाँ तो. Asha goes to grandma. She says, "I cannot find any carrots in the garden." She came back to grandma and she says that I cannot find any carrot in the garden. Grandma says, "There are many carrot plants in the garden. Look carefully." What does grandma says? She says, "There are many carrot plants in the garden." गार्डन में बहुत सारे कैरेट के प्लांट्स हैं. लुक केयरफुली. केयरफुली मीन्स ध्यान से. ओके, अटेंटिवली. यू हैव टू लुक केयरफुली इन द गार्डन. Asha goes out to the garden again. Now Asha goes out to the garden again. Fluffy, her cat, goes with her. As you can see, her name is Fluffy. So Fluffy also goes out with Asha. Asha looks everywhere, but she cannot find the carrot. Asha was looking everywhere, but she cannot find any carrots. Suddenly, she heard a loud mew, mew. Suddenly means अचानक से. She hears a loud mew, mew. She hears a loud, loud means बहुत तेज आवाज़ में. Loud voice. उसे बहुत तेज़ आवाज़ सुनाई दी. What? Mew, mew. She sees Fluffy digging the ground. She sees Fluffy digging the ground. वो ग्राउंड को डिग कर रही है. Dig means खोदना. ओके, जब हम कोई चीज़ ज़मीन के अंदर होती है और उसे निकालते हैं तो what do? We dig the area, right? We dig that area from where we want something, right? उस जगह को खोदते हैं। तो शी सीज फ्लफी डिगिंग द गार्डन। आशा सीज फ्लफी वॉज डिगिंग द गार्डन। शी गोज क्लोज टू फ्लफी। आशा गोज क्लोज टू फ्लफी। एंड वॉट डज शी सी? She sees big orange carrots in the garden. And when she goes close to Fluffy, she sees big orange carrots in the garden. Well done, Fluffy, says Asha happily. And when she sees that there are carrots, she was very happy and she congratulates Fluffy. She says, well done, Fluffy. So here the chapter is over. Now you have to listen this video once again, and along with the video you have to read this chapter, understand this chapter, and if you have any queries regarding this, we will discuss in our live classes. Okay, thank you. Take care all of you.